second shot. First half-court shot. Shaker style. And not yesterday. It's funny because I think I don't remember, but I think when I went to Mont Tremblant, it was the perfect ice. It was so slippery and it was so difficult to shoot a half-court shot on that ice. But here, like the ice, it's far from being perfect and it doesn't slide at all. So yeah, but it's snowing, but it's been a while that I didn't play here, and this is one of my favorite spots, so I'm so grateful to be here. Yeah. Boom. Second half-court shot, right in the middle. Yeah. Third half-court shot. Boom. So happy to be here. Half-court shot. I am on fire. Woo! Yeah. Oh my God. 2 half-court shots into the roof. Crazy angle using the board. Well, and that happened. 5 half-court shots. Ooh. Oh yeah. 6 half-court shots. Boom. Wow. Like, this is awesome. So you see, my intuition was right. I was right that I feel like it was, like I need to come here, you know? Because it's raining and then snowing, and like I have a feeling that there will be nobody here, and the ice, well, I didn't know, but well, turned out that it's better than what I imagined. Yeah. 7 half-court shot. Boom! What a beautiful day. Well. 8 half-court shots from the side. Surprise, surprise, I was not expecting that. Ooh, 9 half-court shots. Boom! Oh, 10! Oh my God! And I surrender, and it blows my mind that here today 10 half-court shots went in a snowstorm. So as soon as you enter the trail, well, there is like you know, like people walk in those paths here on both sides, but like as soon as you enter the trail, there is all those branches there in the way. So I'm gonna trim that. Like you see, I did a nap and I say, okay, I'm gonna go pee and I'm gonna go like take a walk in the wood, and right away I noticed that there is a problem. And this is a trail that I trim. It's just that last winter it was not like this. But this winter it's like this. So I'm gonna need to fix this. So like look at that. People walk here and all this it's in the way, Like even if you walk here it's like right in your face, So I'm gonna fix this right now. Okay, so well, it's been like 30 minutes now that I'm trimming in pitch black, and I don't see nothing, and there is a snowstorm. So I complete the trail, but all the way I was doing both sides of the tracks of the 4x4. And at the end, because like the last 30 minutes, I could not do both sides because I could not see nothing. Like so I did only one track, and at least this is done. So now you can do a full circle in the wood without having branch in your way. But yeah, like definitely that was a level up from last winter, because last winter there was no like 4x4 tracks. Like I don't know, they were plowing the entire trail and it was not like this. But yeah, anyway, I did my thing and I pushed my boundaries, because normally I stop when it starts to be nightfall, but now I really pushed to make the entire circle, yeah, so I pay my dues big time.